Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome back to my channel. We should up into the watch me work. Let's do it. So I have already shaped, I filed that, I've gone in with layers of dehydrator and extra bond, prepped that, and now I'm going in with a thin layer of miasecret's multi-balance. And there was an inspo pic, I'm sorry I lost it, but I'm gonna make up for it because here's a funny clip of me eating food with my sisters. Here you go.
Looking at me, right?
Hey YouTube!
She's looking at me. She's looking for more chicken.
YouTube, my sister be feeding me. Y'all already know when I come here it's some oh, you didn't? I don't want to choke you. Gotta feed me with a good heart.
You pray for it, right? Sure.
I prayed for it though. Some fried plantains, some coleslaw, some rice and red bean. My cousin don't know how to act in the box. And some barbecue chicken. Yes, Lord, it's a good Sunday.
Don't come back.
Anyway, I got to go. I gotta eat. I can't be hanging up here with y'all.
Okay, you guys, what you need to understand is that my sisters don't respect me, okay? But I show up, I get fed, and that's all that matters. So, back to the nails. On the ring finger, we're gonna do a full nail of miasecret's French white. And I'm using my miasecret monomer as well as my Model 1's number 8, you know, my go-to Kolinsky brush, hello, to do this entire set. And I will be applying the French white on the thumb as well. Here's the thing about white. I hate working with it. It's such a disaster, okay? I don't think I took a breath the entire time I was doing this. And then I picked up a massive bead and I was like, girl, who do you think you are? You don't work in giant beads, you work in tiny beads. You don't work, you work wet. You know why? Because you out here still figuring this out. Don't be tripping. YouTube knows your truth. They know they can backtrack in these videos and expose you, girl. Out here trying to use big beads. Calm down. So, I am attempting a blend, people. So I've gone ahead and applied the miasecret French white on the free edge. Faded it up a little bit, you know? No harsh lines here, okay? And I've done that as best as I could, okay? I think you know what? Just go with me. I think I did a pretty darn good job fading out that area and keeping my shape as much as I could. So, y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments. What's up? I mean, just tell me what's going on. And also, you know what? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I mean, fall, well, I don't even know what season it is at the time that I post this video. Well, right now it's fall, but I don't know what time it's going to be when I post this video because these are pre-recorded stuff. So let me know how you're feeling when you see this. Because right now I'm talking to you guys. It's fall, like the beginning, like September. So now I'm going in with miasecret's Covered Pink, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm running so low on this color. miasecret's Covered Pink, it works with every complexion. I mean, I'm not complaining, but also the hell, because I only had a 2-ounce bottle. I didn't know this was gonna be a whole thing. I didn't know I was gonna have people that wanted me to do their nails. I thought it was just gonna be me and my lonely salon. Like, I could dream, I wanted clients, but you know, I always told my husband, at the very least, if all I'm doing is my nails once a month, I'll be happy with it. But go figure. If you plant it, they will come. I think that's how it goes. So I'm doing this blend, right? Started off with a bead just above that, where that white stopped, and I feathered it down. And then I added a second bead, and then the cuticle bead. I'm trying to make sure it's nice and flush. And so here we can see it again. That bead just above it, hold it in place, boom, drag it down ever so lightly. Add another bead at the cuticle area, make sure it's nice and flush, round that off, feather it down. And you want to keep this as thin as you can, just in case you got to do some side work, some tuck in, pull in, this level, that level. Keep it as thin as possible. You also are going to have to clear cap this stuff. Do you see what I mean about keeping it thin? Because you can add little bits like that. I'm sorry for my camera shaking. I was using my gooseneck on a table with my sister who don't even know how to keep still. I was tripping. So here I am with the clear, and I'm clear capping. And at this point I look at myself and I'm like, okay, you better clear cap, girl. It's looking good. It's looking good. I keep telling you guys, I keep saying, beginners, y'all need to get up. Y'all need to get up. Y'all need to Pat yourself on the back. Y'all need to clap. Y'all need to spin around. Y'all need to twerk. I don't even know. But we are out here. Oh, we out here. Well, we're in here in our studios and stuff. But we out here in here doing nails. So, yeah. I was really proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie, because I kept my shape, you guys. Look at that. Y'all talk to me now in the comments, let me know. So remember, when you're clear capping, you want to keep them beads nice and wet, nice and runny, you know, just because you want that to flow. You want to be able to pull that, and you want to make sure that you don't have any of those like nasty air bubbles. Some people recommend just running the monomer filled brush over your nail beforehand. I'm slow, I don't need nothing else adding time, but if you have to do that, you know, better to be safe than sorry. So here I go with the panna bit, right? Showing off with my melody stills the drill. I've arrived, I'm showing off. So this is my medium grit ceramic panna 5-in-1 drill bit, which, you know what, I can't find it. I was looking for it the other day, I couldn't find it. Anyway, gone around the cuticle area nice and slow because I'm still a beginner, especially with my drill. I haven't had one this high quality before, so I need to be careful. And I'm contouring the sides, and sometimes I even go at the free edge to make sure that if there's any spillage just under the nail, that I clean that up as well. But just around the cuticles, contouring, I run it sometimes horizontally as well as vertically. But it's about keeping the nail structured and grounded and not having it on there for so long in one spot, that drill. And I'm working to the point where I can know the speed and be able to let you guys know. But yeah, I think right around this time I have it at anywhere between 8 to 1,000 RPMs. And then I take my miasecret, and this is at, sorry, not my miasecret, my glitter bells metal filing board, and this is on the 180 grit side. I don't know, it feels safer doing that. I'm going at the cuticles, I'm refining the shape, I'm tapering in the sides, and I'm contouring the nail. And at some point I will run it across the full length of the nail, just to make sure that I keep that free edge not too thick but also not too thin, and focus that apex in the area that it's supposed to be in. And yeah, I'm looking for that shape. And at this point I don't file the free edge. I prefer to file the free edge when I'm okay, I forgot that clip was in there. Okay, I'm Haitian, and Haitians got some good music, and there we were, turn up. That was me, that was my sister. Yeah, we looked wrecked, but we was having fun. Go sit down, okay? We was having fun. So, I don't do a lot of 3D nail art. Y'all know, hello. But I came through, I busted it out, and I did me some flowers. Like 3 petals, okay? Ain't nothing to really brag about, but at this point in time, I'm gonna brag about it because I don't do a lot of it. I'm gonna try to do more of it. Hopefully in the next upcoming videos, you'll be able to see some here, some there. You know, I've been messing around with polygel in terms of 3D nail art. It's just something that you do beforehand, not necessarily, you know, now as you're doing it on the nail, like how I'm going in with these beads. Nice small beads with my Macart 3D nail art brush. Not a lot of liquid there, and I'm just pressing in and using the belly of the brush to sort of fan out the area, but making sure I keep a point so that that tip of that flower can be nice and sharp. But my 3D nail art brush isn't as, I guess, trained as everyone else's is, because it's not super flat or super pointy. And because of that, it creates those natural ridges that sometimes people are trying to get with their 3D nail art brush. This is a bit of acrylic that I mixed myself because I felt like the flowers need a little something, and my sister didn't want me to put the freaking rhinestones that came on this look. Honestly, what's wrong with her? So I just went in with some flakes, some gold leaf that I had mixed in with some acrylic to give the flowers a little bit of va-va-voom, because what? You don't want crystals? You don't want glitter? Who are you? I don't know you. You know what I mean? But here we're all done, and I'm going in with my, I think this is a silver cap. It's my lavender violets gel top coat, and I will cure this for a full 60 seconds. So that, guys, is the end of the video, and I love you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. I don't know, some you into, do that. Look forward to the product list below. Here's a picture and video of the finished look. I love you guys for still watching, and I promise to see you in the next one. Bye.